Okay guys, I got a 98 to 02 climate control for a Honda Accord or a Honda Odyssey. I think it's 98 to 2000 is the Odyssey. I'm sure you got to replace the LEDs. You're gonna have to take this back plate off, otherwise you just can't pop these out. There's 3 of them here. The digital ones I believe have 4 or 5. And then also you're going to need one for your clock and your blinker. These ones are T4.7, they're Neo wedges. I'm going to add a link in the description to a kit for these that you can buy on eBay, pretty cheap, fast shipping, all that stuff. So let's just get going at it. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. Just gonna remove these 7 Phillips screws really quick. Okay, got all those off. Just gonna remove this, move it over to the side, and then we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove these. And then just pop them out. You may have to pry them out like this. Then we got the 3. These are actually, I believe these are T4.7. So you're gonna put them in and then turn clockwise until this right here is lined up with these 2 white pieces. So this should make a line. I'm gonna do that with each one. Okay, and then put everything back together. Okay, so something else you need to know, you can't just put these in any way. So there's 2 different ways you can put them in. Let's say this is the positive, this is the negative. We don't know which side the positive and negative are, so we're gonna have to put it in, test it, and if it doesn't light up, you're gonna remove it, rotate it 180 degrees and put it in again, and that'll fix it. So what you want to do is put these in, go to your car, plug it in, see if it works. If some of them don't work, you're going to remove them, rotate 180 degrees, put them in again, and that's how you're going to test them. So these ones, you can put them in this way or that way and they'll work, but the LEDs have to be specific, and for some reason they don't tell us which side is which. So just remember that when you're putting them in. Is this one right here, this light. This is for the clock. So to remove that, we just go like that, pop it out, and then this one is a T4.0. So we're going to put that in there and turn it. And we're going to use the bigger one, turn it. So that's how you do it. Again, I'm going to link the kit in the description. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching.